Hello guys, welcome to Random Shoki. Today I'm going to show you how to mirror your Android phone to your PC and your PC to your Android phone. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a software which is a power mirror. So open Chrome and search for a power mirror. Open the first link you get, and this is the website you'll be presented with. Click on the download button and install the software. Since I already installed the software, I'm gonna skip that part and just directly get into the tutorials on how to mirror it. So I'll just close that and this and search for a power mirror in my PC, and I'll open it up. So make sure you're connected to your Android phone's hotspot on your laptop. So here's the software, it's loading a little. So this is for your laptop side. So now switching over to the Android side, you'll be needing to download again a power mirror from the Play Store. So search for a power mirror and install the app. I already installed the app, so this is the app. I'm going to open it up. Click on mirror, so it will search for the network to which your laptop is connected, that is your mobile hotspot. Click on your laptop and yes, you'll be presented with the option to mirror phone to PC and your PC to phone. So click on any of the one. I'm gonna click on mirror to phone. So yeah, start now. So here you can see my phone is being projected on my laptop, and that's it. You can see I can do all the normal stuffs here, and if you connect it via USB, you can control your phone on your laptop. So I'm not going to do that here. So this is just an example of what I'm doing. Now I'm going to disconnect and mirror my laptop to my phone. So I don't have the screenplay of that, but here I'm controlling my laptop using my Android device, so you can do that too. It's a bit difficult to control, so yeah, you gotta make sure what you're doing that. So that's that. I'll just switch to my Android to PC. So here you can see you can open up games and record it on your laptop, and that's that. Oh, I posted a few videos on COC, you can see that too. It's in the above link. So yeah, here I'm just flexing here, so you can just skip the part of the video and go do it yourself. Try it on your laptop or something like that. You can even watch YouTube on it. That is, you don't want to watch it on a small screen, you can just mirror your phone to your PC and watch it on the big screen for whatever reasons you need it. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for Random Shoki, like the video and even share it to your friends, they might need it. Thank you.